world is spinning fast tonight. You can hurt yourself trying to hold on to what you used to be. I'm so glad the past is all gone. Being out in the wild, being out in the night, being out of your mind. You live here, or is this a vacation? Were like leather